Today, I want to show you how you can include a form question to your survey. Forms are an easy and simple way to collect your respondents' background information, such as names or emails, for example. To add such a question, all you have to do is go into your survey. Once you're in your survey, you click the Add Survey Element icon, choose Question, select Form, and click Next. Now you can type in your heading and text. Today, in our example, we want to ask our respondents to fill in information. Once we've typed in our heading and text, we click Add Form Fields. Form fields are based on background variables. Now you can add existing variables, or you can create new variables and add them to the form. You can add 3 types of variables. Text variables are perfect to collect information such as zip codes or phone numbers or names. A selection list will give respondents options to choose from. The date variable allows a respondent to select a specific date from a calendar widget. If you want to learn more about background variables, please feel free to look at our Help Center. For our example of the open application, we first want to add some existing variables. Under the existing variables, you can find the predefined fields, which are the system variables, such as email, first name, and last name. And under the existing variables, you will also be able to find background variables that you've previously created. Today, we choose email, first name, last name, as we want to add them into our form field. We click Add and can see them now that they have been added as form fields. For example, we also want to ask our respondents to fill in their phone number. Therefore, we click on Add Form Field and choose the text variable. We name our variable phone number, and then we can choose the format. As we want to know the phone number, we choose the numeric format, as they can then only fill in numerical values. We also want them to give us an answer, so we enable the Require Answer option and click Add. Another thing we want to know is when they are able to start. We click on Add Form Field, and then we choose the Date Form field. We name our variable, When can you start? And we also want to enable the Require Answer setting and click Add. And last but not least, we also want to know which of our offices they are applying to work in. Therefore, we create a selection list. We name them which of our offices are you applying to work in. We also enable the Require Answer setting, and then we can add our response options. In our example, we have 4 options: London, Paris, Madrid, and Berlin. Once we've added all the options we want, we click Add, and we can see that all of the form fields have been added. You can now move or delete the fields by using the Actions menu. We want to move them around, as we want them to first fill in their first name, their last name, and then the email, and then phone number, when can you start, and which offices are you applying to work in. When you've added all the form fields and everything looks good, you click Add. Your form will be added immediately. Although it can contain one or several background variables, it will appear as one element in the survey content overview. And this is how you add a form question to your survey.